Hello, I am Teacher Dulin, and I am from the Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in English, and I am a licensed teacher. I have a TEFL certificate, and I am able to teach kids and adult learners who wish to learn English with me in a fun and meaningful way. During the free time, I started to learn the basic Russian language. I am acquainted with Cyrillic alphabet, and that means I am able to speak basic Russian language. Привет! Здравствуйте! Меня зовут Teacher Lin. Yes, Philippines. Я немного говорю по-русски. I speak a little Russian, and that's my passion in knowing every culture that helps me understand people coming from a different walks of life. And I am excited to see you in my class.